Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to summarize long articles or reports using Claude AI. If you are using Claude AI and you want to summarize your long articles or reports, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and your PC and you have to make sure that you're logged into your account in Claude AI. Now, once you are here, you just have to upload a PDF file. If you have your article or your report in a PDF file. So just click on this plus icon, then click on add file with photos, and just select your file. And once you have done, you just have to enter a simple prompt. So if you want to get only a single short paragraph summary, so you can also ask Claude AI that. So let's say you just have to enter just make a simple summary of one paragraph of this article. Or if you want to get some points or some bullet points, so you can easily use this one here. Summarize this article in 5 bullet points. Focus on the main arguments and conclusions. Once I've done, click on the submit option and you just have to wait for some moments. So it will summarize the whole article or report in 5 bullet points. You can also increase the number of points if you want to. So in this way, you can easily summarize any article or any report in simple steps using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.